Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi connection issue after iOS 18 update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version of iOS 18 and your Wi-Fi connection is not working properly. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to open settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. So guys, simply shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then again open setting and then tap on Wi-Fi and you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is working properly and the toggle should be turned on. If it is turned off, then simply turn it on and after that simply tap on that warning button, tap on password, copy password and after that forget this network and after that turn it off Wi-Fi and wait some seconds and again turn it on and after that select your Wi-Fi and paste password and join it and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are still facing the problem, then you have to just simply go back, scroll down and then tap on journal and then again scroll down and then here tap on transfer reset iPhone, type here reset, tap on that reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. So guys, after resetting your network setting for one time, your Wi-Fi connection is working properly and your network connection is good. So guys, you can fix this problem by resetting your network setting. So hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.